Okay, good morning everyone. Miss Mildred here. I've missed you guys. I hope you're doing well and you're keeping safe. Yeah, I'm keeping safe myself. I'm washing my hands all the time and I'm using sanitizers when I can't access water. And I'm really trying to keep safe. And I'm also having my fish oil. Yeah, yeah, so that my immunity can continue being strong. Anyhow, today I want us to do the math lesson. But again, before I go to the math lesson, I want to show you that I have not forgotten you. You see, I have all this so that we can keep in touch. And yeah, so I want us to review the topic fractions so that we can be able to attempt, although I saw some of you have really tried attempting the assignment that I gave on fractions, but I would like us to review because I have amazing pieces here. You might have to see how to go about it so that the skills can be mastered in a better way. All right, so what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. A fraction is a part of a whole. So if you look at this picture, for example, this circle here is a whole, is what we might want to look at as a whole. Now, I can pick out parts from this whole by, for example, bringing in this red part. And if I've tried to fit it in here, it's not going to fit completely, but it's going to fit halfway. So this is a half of a circle that we most of the time call a semicircle. All right, this is a half. You realize that two halves, if I put two halves here, oh my goodness. All right, if I put two halves here, I will have my whole. So two halves make a whole. Two halves make a whole. But if it's just one, it's just a half. It's just a half. All right, I want also that we may look at quarters. We'll look at other fractions after this, but let's review the quarters. Two quarters will make a half. Two quarters, a quarter here, and a quarter here will make a half. Two quarters, look at this, two quarters will make a half. What if I want to make a whole using quarters? Okay, let me remove the half. I just have my two quarters here, another quarter there. Yes, where is my fourth quarter? And another quarter here. So if I have 4 quarters, then I have a whole. 4 quarters make a whole. 4 quarters make a whole. All right, think about a pizza. When you order a pizza, they usually slice the pizza into different, fractions, into different shapes and pieces. And most of the times they enjoy dividing a pizza into 4. So if you ate 4 pieces of pizza like this, then you will have eaten a whole pizza. If you ate just one like this, you will have eaten a quarter. Okay, if you ate a pizza like this, you will have eaten a half. All right, so for now we're just doing halves and quarters so that we can go to the main lesson for today. The main lesson for today is data handling. You are free to say data handling. Data is simply information. When you collect data, we have done a lot of this in global perspectives, you must sort it out, you must analyze it, you must do what is required so that you're able to use this data to make your conclusion. All right, so let's see. Let's see where we are. I'm using this book. It is the book that I have photocopied for you. Every child has this, from division to the end. So sorry. Sorry, I had, okay, yeah. Here you are. Data handling. Now, we have done this before, but I want us to review so that it's not a problem.